Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Miss Alvi, and in today's session, we are going to explore a very important aspect of the hospitality industry, which is hotel marketing strategies. Whether you are a hotel management student, a future entrepreneur, or just curious about how hotels attract guests, this topic is for you. First of all, why we need to learn hotel marketing strategies in a tourism conversation subject? First, because you need to understand the industry language and function. Tourism and hospitality are service-driven industries, and marketing is the language that connects businesses with travelers. By learning hotel marketing strategies, you gain real-world vocabularies used in promotions, guest communication, and digital platform. And also, it enhances your ability to speak and role-play professionally about services, offers, and trends in the hotel business. For example, if you play the role of a hotel receptionist or marketing officer, you must understand terms like seasonal promotion, direct booking discount, or guest loyalty program. Number 2, it boosts communication skills in the context. A tourism conversation project focuses on realistic interactions. Hotel staff speaking with guests, travel agents explaining packages, or marketers presenting ideas. By integrating marketing topics, you can practice how to persuasively communicate offers, packages, or events. It also supports fluency in explaining why a guest should choose a specific hotel or service. For example, you can present a dialogue promoting a special honeymoon package at a beachfront resort, or using marketing language to attract interest. And number 3, it prepares for real roles in hospitality. In the real tourism industry, jobs often require knowledge of how to promote and sell services. Even front office staffs must understand basic marketing strategies. Through this topic, students, you can learn how hotels attract and retain guests, both online and offline. And you are better prepared for jobs in marketing, sales, public relations, and guest services. For example, a conversation project could include a pitch meeting simulation where a hotel marketing officer proposes a new campaign to management. And the next one is integrating language learning with professional content, or ESP. So this topic supports English for specific purposes, or ESP. In this case, English for tourism and hospitality. It builds language fluency in a meaningful and professional context. And also, students or you do not just memorize dialogue, and you create meaningful conversation tied to real marketing content. For example, instead of just learning how to say "Welcome to our hotel," so you learn how to say "Welcome, we're currently offering a 20% discount for direct bookings through our app." So now let's start by reviewing the marketing mix, also known as 7 P's in the hospitality context. So the first one is product. Product is the room, service, and overall guest experience. And next one is price. Price related to dynamic pricing, seasonal rates, and packages. And the next one is place. Place, it is related to where and how guests can book rooms instead of online platforms, travel, or travel agents. And the next one is promotion, such as advertising, social media, influencer marketing, and so on and so forth. And the next one, we have people. People who train staff who represent the brand. And also process. It is related to smooth baking and check-in system. And the last one is physical evidence. For example, websites, online reviews, brochure, and ambience. All of these implements or elements must work together to create a strong marketing strategy. But in today's world, digital marketing plays a massive role. So the 7 P's are extension of traditional marketing mix. Originally 7 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. So in the hospitality industry, especially hotel and tourism services, these 7 elements help design effective marketing strategies and deliver excellent guest experiences. So let's take a look at one by one of elements. The first one is product. What are you offering to guests? In hospitality, the product is the guest experience, including the hotel rooms, food and beverage, ambience, amenities, and customer service, or also even the emotional feel guests get. For example, the comfortable rooms with modern design, or rooftop dining experience, or spa and wellness services, or tour packages. A hotel product is not just a room. It's everything that makes the stay enjoyable. The next one is about price. How much that is cost, and is it worth it, and so on and so forth. Pricing strategies should reflect the value, target market, season, and competitor pricing. Price affects perception. Too high may reduce demand, and too low may affect quality image. So pricing strategies, the first one is dynamic pricing. You can change based on demand, or based on seasonal or weekend rates, special offers and packages, or loyalty pricing. Price is not just about money, but it reflects the positioning of the hotel, such as luxury, budget, boutique, and etc. The next one is place. Where and how can guests access your service? Place refers to the distribution channels, how the service is delivered or booked. In hospitality, this includes physical location and online presence. For example, hotel website with online booking, travel agencies and tour operators, online travel agents like Booking.com, Agoda, Traveloka, and so on and so forth, and location of the hotel, such as city center or near airport, and etc. The easier it is for guests to find and book your service, the better the result. The next one is promotion. How do you attract and inform potential guests? Promotion includes all activities that communicate and persuade customers to choose your hotel. Promotion tools such as advertising, like online, TV, or billboards, and also social media marketing, influencer maybe, or blogger partnership, also email campaign and newsletters, or public relation and reviews. So promotion helps build brand awareness and drive bookings. The next one is about people. Who delivers the service and interact with guests? In hospitality, people are key to guest satisfactions. This includes hotel staffs, manager, customer service agents, and even outsourced partner. The focus areas are first, professional training for staffs. friendly, personalized service, or multilingual or even culturally aware staff, and also uniforms and behavior standards. So in people elements, people make or break the guest experience. And the next one is process. How is the service delivered? Process refers to the systems and procedures that ensure efficient and smooth service delivery. In hotels, this can include check-in or check-out, room service, booking system, and complaint resolution. For example, online and mobile check-in, fast and efficient housekeeping, reservation confirmation system, or even feedback and complaint handling. So a smooth process means a hassle-free experience for the guests. And the last one is physical evidence. What do guests see, feel, or touch that proves your service quality? Since hospitality is the mostly intangible, physical evidence gives tangible signs of the service, like the hotel's appearance, branding, and online presence. For example, clean and stylish lobby design, or staff uniforms and name tags, or branded toiletries and room keys, website design and online reviews, and awards and certification displayed. So those are the visible cues that influence trust and perception. Okay, now let's break down digital marketing strategies for hotels. The first one is SEO and website optimization. First, hotel must appear on the first page of search result, and mobile-friendly websites are a must. And how about social media marketing? First, you need to use Instagram for visual storytelling, or Facebook for events and promotions, and TikTok for trending content. And for online travel agencies, you can use Booking.com, Agoda, Expedia, and so on and so forth. And also the advantages and commissions of online travel agencies. And about email marketing and loyalty programs, you need to personalize over and retargeting previous guests. You need to remember that a successful hotel doesn't just wait for guests to come. They actively create relationship online. And now we move to offline and local marketing strategies. Let's not forget about offline world. First, for example, partnership with local businesses. For example, offering packages with nearby tourist attractions, or participation in tourism expos or local events, such as a great way to showcase hotel service directly, for example. Or you can use billboards and media and print media. It is still effective in targeting a certain demographic. So local marketing ensures your hotel is well known in the region, especially to returning or business travelers. So to wrap up, let's review what we have learned today. The 7 P's of marketing in the hospitality, how digital tours are reshaping the hotel industry, and why offline strategies still matter. So I think that was all the lesson for today. Thank you for joining me in this session. Stay curious and see you in the next video. Bye!